what is that? Caca. You gonna make some? Come on, let me see you make it. Oh boy, what is that? Hmm? I don't know. What do you want? What do you need? Hmm? What are you gonna do? What was that? What is that? Is that the filter? Oh boy. Good job. What are you making?
By the way, Dada, you take a picture of my sucker.
What are you making, Wesley?
No, you take a picture of my sucker.
Hmm? Yeah, I'll take a picture of this thing. Oh wow, that's a big one.
Here, finish me.
What flavor is that?
Cherry. Here. Oh no, I had to say that.
Smells good, doesn't it?
You're gonna have to get the.
What's that? Oh, is that for coffee? Mmm.
Out. Yeah, get the coffee beans out and put them in there. Okay, we'll put this in here. You don't want that in there? Alright. We're waiting for the coffee beans.
He's a doggy.
Put the coffee beans in here.
Oh boy, he's doing a good job. Wow. He knows how to put those coffee beans in there. Whee! Who taught you how to do that? Oh yeah? Who did that?
We need more.
You doing lots?
Yes, I am.
Where did you learn how to make coffee? Hmm? More what?
More coffee?
More coffee.
More beans.
Hey, there's an elephant behind you. Oh no! Watch out! The elephant's gonna get you! Ah! Woo! Oh, the elephant's gonna get you! The elephant's gonna get you! You better watch out! You see him? You see that elephant? Yeah. Uh-oh, there's a monkey behind you now. Is that monkey gonna get you?
We make the coffee. Okay, now get it out of the bag. Put some more coffee in there. We don't drink our...
Hmm? More?
Daddy, may I please have some more?
Yeah, you put some in there.
Oh, I'm running out of film. Too bad, huh? Yeah.
You're running out of film, oh no!
Boy, you're good at that. Oh, Mom is all ready to blend.